Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECT application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Now we need to go to the settings at the right top, and then to control settings, and let's work with it. So by default, for the double press for the left earbud, we have sound control, so you can swap between NNC, transparency, or disable both of these modes. And I like it, I want to leave it here, but you can also set it to something else. Let's move to the triple press, and for the triple press we have a game mode. So I want to change it to play previous track. Then but you can also set something else. Let's go to press and hold, and for the press and hold I wanna volume control my music. So with the left earbud I wanna volume down my music, and then let's move to the right earbud by click at the right earbud. So by default for the double press we have play pause, I like it, so I leave it here. For the triple press we have to play next track, and I also like it, so I also leave it here, but you can set something else. And for the press and hold with my right earbud I wanna volume up my music, so I click on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!